Okay, so now we want to look at the function of two variable. Okay, so before this we look at the functions of one variable only, which is one variable. We have y equal to fx. Okay, so we only have one independent variable, which is x. Okay, so for this case, we want to look at the function of two variable, which is z equal to f x y, meaning that we have a function z in term of two variable x and y. Okay, so we have here f is a real value function of two variable, okay, or simply function of two variables. Okay, meaning that the f consists of two variables, okay, let's say x and y. Okay, so in this case, z is the dependent variable, okay, and x and y are independent variable. Okay, but for one variable before, we have y as the dependent variable and x as the independent variable. Okay, alright. Okay, so next example. Okay, so this is a simple example for two variable. Okay, let's say we have fx here is equal to x plus y, or sometimes we can write it as z equal to x plus y. Okay, meaning that the function of z, okay, is in term of x and y. Okay, so now here we want to evaluate f equal to negative 1, 2. So meaning that in this case, okay, we have the value of x equal to negative 1 and value of y equal to 2. So we just substitute the value inside the function fxy. Okay, so just now we have fxy equal to x plus y, isn't it? Okay, so for x minus 1, 2, so meaning that we just replace x with minus 1 and y with 2, so we will obtain 1. Okay, alright, so the second one here, f0 minus 3, so meaning that value of x is equal to 0, value of y is minus 3. So we just substitute f0 minus 3, meaning that x plus y here, right? So x is 0, y is minus 3, so we'll obtain minus 3. Okay, so like this. And last one here, let's say we have f(rs), so meaning that the value of x is equal to r and the value of y equal to s. Okay, so let's say if we have f rs, where f, the original function is y x plus y, so we replace x with r, we replace y with s, so the final value is r plus s lah. Okay, so this is how we substitute the value of independent variable into the function f. Okay, so let's look at the example. Okay, so let's say we have x squared plus y squared this time. Okay, so meaning that we just replace. Okay, so again, if we have minus 1, 2, okay, so this time we need to square the value of x and the value of y, because the value of x still negative 1, value of y still 2, but this time is different function. Okay, so x squared is equal to 2, so meaning that we put it negative 1 squared, so for y squared we just put 2 squared, so that's made will be 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Okay, so for 0 minus 3, we just substitute x equal to 0, y equal to minus 3. Okay, into the functions, it will be 0 squared minus 3 squared, we will obtain 9. For rs, so meaning that we just replace x squared with r squared, we replace y squared with s squared. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, how about this one? If we have fxy and the function given here is 1 over x plus y. Okay, it's a fraction. Okay, so again, as usual, we know that, oh, this is x equal to minus 1 and y equal to 2. So we just replace x with negative 1 and y with 2. So we simplify, we will obtain 1 over 1, which is 1. Okay, alright. Okay, so the next one we have f03. Again, x equal to 0, y equal to minus 3. So we replace x with 0. Okay, alright, y with minus 3, because this is what we have. Okay, therefore after simplify we obtain negative 1 over 3. Okay, so next for FRS, still x equal to r, y equal to s. So we just replace x equal to r, and for y is equal to s. So the final answer is 1 over r plus s. Okay, so now let's look at this one. Okay, this is your exercise. Okay, so 2x squared minus y minus 2. So this is two function variable. Function with two variable. Okay, x and y. Okay, so for f31, meaning that x equal to 3, y equal to 1. So we'll have 2, 3 squared minus 1 minus 2. So we have 18 minus 1, 17, 17 minus 2 is 15. So the answer is 15. Okay, so for this one, the second one here, we know that s is equal to 2, y equal to 9. So we'll obtain 2 plus 9 plus 5 square root. Okay, so we'll obtain 16. 16. Okay, so same goes for this. Again, this is x equal to 3, y equal to 5. So we'll have 3 for x over y is 5 plus 1. So 3 over 6, 1 over 2.